This is consonant blend CR. And a consonant blend is when we have consonants, 2 or 3, that each say their own sound, but we blend them together when we read them in words. So C's sound is K. Say it again, K. One more time, K. And R's sound is R. Say it again, R. Say it again, R. Good. Let's tap and stretch them together. Krr. Tap and stretch again. Krr. Good. Now let's see if we can make some words with this, okay? Let's tap and stretch our new word. Crab. Good. Tap and stretch again. Crab. Good. Let's say it fast like a word. Crab. Say it fast. Crab. Yes, that's the word crab. You know what a crab is. Little crustacean, right? That lives in the ocean. Okay, let's sound out our new word. Tap and stretch. Cram. Tap and stretch. Cram. Say it fast. Cram. Say it fast. Cram. Cram. Are you trying to cram too many socks in that drawer? Okay, let's sound out our new word. We're going to tap and stretch it. You ready? Crib. Tap and stretch it again. Crib. Good. Say it fast like a word. Crib. Say it fast. Crib. Good. Yes, that's the word crib. We have a crib for the baby. Baby sleeps in a crib. Let's tap and stretch our new word. Crop. Tap and stretch it again. Crop. Say it fast. Crop. Say it fast. Crop. A crop of corn is growing across the street at the farm. There we go. And one more word. Tap and stretch for me. Crud. Tap and stretch. Crud. Let's say it fast. Crud. Say it fast again. Crud. Yes, crud. Like clean that crud out of your shoes or wherever it might be. Good job with consonant blend CR.